So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go through and see why your iPhone's volume is randomly going up or down. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, if your iPhone volume is randomly going up or down, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that your case or anything physically touching your iPhone isn't randomly making that happen. You might want to go through and just make sure that your volume isn't randomly going up or down in that particular situation. Because sometimes when you do that, that might end up causing the problem for you. So just go through and make sure that isn't the problem for you. Make sure your case isn't affecting that particular volume situation. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure that you're not connected to any random Bluetooth device that is making your volume go up and down. Sometimes if you're connecting to some sort of random Bluetooth device in that situation, that can also kind of cause some effect to your device. So just make sure that's not causing any problems either, because sometimes that can cause some issues. If that's still not working, I'd recommend also going through and seeing if you can update your iPhone. Sometimes software updating your iPhone can end up fixing this problem as well. So try going through, clicking on the settings application of your iPhone, scrolling down until you find general, which is right here. Then click on software update and seeing if there's a software update available for your phone. Sometimes there might be a software update available and all you have to do is install it, and that could end up fixing the problem for you. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.